26-inch river boat build, all out aluminum. Some of the measurements I can come up with. It's just all out of my head, just sort of winging it. See if I can make this work. It'll be 26 inches long, 10 inches wide, be 8 inches wide at the back, 2.5 inches for my jet area, 3 inches long. I'm going to do my pyramid 8.5 inches long. Bottom of the boat 8 inches wide. Top of the boat 10 inches wide. Side profile of the boat 4.5 inches deep. Not sure about that. I might maybe mellow that out a little bit more, maybe shorten it up a little bit. 1.5 inch hole from the Amazon jet I bought from Amazon. It's a jet pack. It was about $86 for the whole complete motor, jet, and everything, cooling stuff. Servo arm, no servo. I'm gonna try and put that together in here. I got a new remote control, 6-channel. I'm gonna put in here. Let's see if I can make it work. But when I'm all said and done, she's gonna look something like this. It'll be nice. It's gonna look pretty sweet. All said and done. Okay. Back to the build. I'll put up another video in probably a week or so once I get a little bit more done, and I'll give you the rundown how I built it and the ins and outs on building my 26-inch by 10-inch river jet boat, all out aluminum. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.